Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong. My name is Shelly and today I'm going to show you how I make the best Cajun red beans and rice from the other side of New Orleans. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Keep in mind, the longer you soak your beans, the tender and quicker they will cook. If you're interested, the full recipe will be in the description box. Thoroughly mix and incorporate all of your herbs and spices in the pot together. Add your broth and then let it come to a rapid boil. Remember, beans are easy to stick, so please stir, stir, and stir. Do not allow it to stick. Once the beans are tender and just about ready to be served, if you want a thick gravy that many of you are used to seeing when you're getting red beans and rice, this is the point you will take your beans and mash them up against the pot. I don't mash all of them, but I do mash some of the beans up against the sides of the pot. This makes a thick, tasty gravy. red beans and rice is a historic Louisiana Creole dish, traditionally cooked on Mondays because it was utilized in Sunday's leftover ham bone. It is a Southern comfort food that can be used as a side dish or one pot meal. It stores very easy in the freezer, and also you see signs throughout Louisiana saying they have the best red beans and rice. Well, I have to tell you, this recipe came from my in-laws that lived in Louisiana. They're not in New Orleans, but they made the best red beans and rice. You let me know what you think if you use this recipe. And there you have it. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I release a video. Share me out because sharing is caring. And as I always say at the end of each and every one of my videos, God bless you. See you next time. Love you long time. Bon appetit. Bye-bye for now.